new camera day today. In fact, well, actually, not new camera. In fact, 2 times not new camera. So I'm officially, like every other person, giving up on GoPro. GoPro has just failed me so much to the point where I never saw any reason to upgrade from my Hero 9. And now when I turn my Hero 9 on, it turns on and it looks like it's going good, but I have no back screen. So I can't actually do anything, can't change settings, can't engage the Wi-Fi, so I can't do it from the app. It's effectively a one-trick pony brick stuck at 1080p, 100 frames a second, super view. So that's dead. So no use to me now. So great. And GoPro's just been glitchy as anything for a long time now. I've just constantly been not impressed by it. So I'm moving on to what everyone else does. Oh, that's it. That's all that's in the box. Let's see what's in here. Into the power bank. Oh, all the batteries, 3 batteries. And I'm moving on to DJI. DJI, let's see, Action, and I haven't even gone for the Action 4. I've gone for the Action 3. The reason for that, again, I've looked at all the videos and all the reviews and all the things, and I cannot see, for the life of me, any actual difference between the Action 3 and the Action 4 at all. So to save myself over £100, I got the Action 3 secondhand. Got the Action 3 for £100 off from Amazon, and then just as I was about to buy it, it offered me, do you want to buy it kind of secondhand, like barely used or anything like that? This is my first time using it, so I don't know how to open it to put a battery in. Batteries in. Ah, like that. No, that's just that. Where's the battery? Oh, this side. So this was secondhand, so that saved me another £50, I think. How do we get, oh, up the way? There it goes. Ooh. And yeah, the main thing I'm wanting is just a camera that is less glitchy. Glitch has been the biggest issue with the camera. So getting a secondhand saved me another £50. So I got this as the Action combo with the meter-long sticky stick, selfie stick, and that is, oh yeah, that's a bit rubbish. That's been used. So somebody's used that. However, granted, I would never use that. So that's, I want my money back. Nah, fine. And then the quick release mounts. It obviously doesn't come in its actual original packaging, so I don't have any of that. But obviously Amazon's really good, so if I wanted to send it back, I could easily just send it back. And if I just want to stick this on, oh, look at that magnet. Wow, come on, magnets. Oh, there's the right way and a wrong way. Perfect. Love it. Stick it into English. 19% battery. I shall upgrade that. Right, for this, going to go straight out and go for a ride with the new Action 3. See what it looks like. Just giving it a quick test of a loop around the neighbourhood. So not really going anywhere. So if I'm in my riding position, it's all shaking like that. Get it pointing up the way. Let's give it a quick just a quick ride. checking out this guy. I'll give him a little rev. Love it. Everyone's out. Everyone's out a sunny day. Right. How good's audio in the tunnel? Nice. Oh, that's itself up. There you go, that's how the GoPro versus Action 2, Action 3. Afternoon. No, nice triumph. Are you at the Distinguished Gentleman's right tomorrow?